Bola on your Mondays, Bola on your Mondays, Bola on your Mondays, we shall stand.
Cubanna, open your mouth. Open your mouth. No, they do as if they force you. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Sorosoke Obi. Sorosoke Obi. No, they do as if they force you. On your mandate, which mandate? Errand boy. Boy mandates. Boy mandates. It's a shame. It's a pity. It's a pity. They do as if they force you. You know where you have always been. You know what you have always been. You know where you belong. You know who you are. If people don't care about your people, do you care? It's all about the Benjamins. It's all about the money, you know. Oh, your man, they're looking at him, okay, yeah, they force him, or maybe they hold him for somewhere, or maybe something. You have always been there. That's why you people never spoke for the Nnamdi Kanu. When your whole people was agitating, ask yourself a question. What did Nnamdi Kanu do? He reached what Shegumi do? Sunday Igbo do. Everybody they do. Where Sunday Igbo today, they outside. Where Gumi they outside. There are a lot of terrorists in the bush that probably did worse. You never spoke for this man because, of course, there is interest somewhere. On your mandate, you shall stand. On your mandate. You call it do I see the first time. Bro, open your mouth. You are now an errand boy. That's who you are now. Southeast coordinator. It's a pity. It's a pity. It's a shame. It's a shame. But the good part is this. You can't secure no votes. You don't have that influence. You think this is doing advert for one bitters or doing advert for phone and blenders? You can't secure no votes there. You can't secure no votes there. I always say these things. But when you talk, they feel like, okay, you don't know what you are saying. I said the enemies of the Igbos are the Igbos. It's nobody else. The Yorubas are not your enemies. The Hausas are not your enemies. You are your enemies. You are your enemies. Don't think I'm too twice. No, they think I'll go anywhere. 5 Igbo men are here, sitting down here like this. All of them are billionaires. You see them making videos. You think they love themselves. It's a lie. They're in competition with themselves. They are all rich. This one build a big house. This one want to build a bigger house. This one buy a car. This one want to buy a bigger car. They are always in competition with themselves. That's why I will tell you this for free. Before an Igbo man becomes the president of this country, it will take a whole lot of time because his people are never in support of him. Because they will feel like, oh, it is better this person come from Nnewi. It is better this person come from Onisha. It is better this person come from Aba. They are everywhere. Oh yeah, man, they like say they will not. It's a shame. It's a pity. It's a disgrace. Ask yourself a question: is it even worth it? My own be say, I'll tell you this for free. Mona better pray for Alex Oti. That's all I can tell you. That's the only person remaining to penetrate. Enugu State Governor is doing well, but he had to switch. I like the man. He's doing a lot of good work in Enugu State. You can ask. I went there, I saw it, I was surprised, you know. Alex Oti, of course, doing amazingly well, you know, but very, very soon they might penetrate him as well. Because the way they are going, everywhere have been secured. And these people, because of their selfish interest, they can't stand their ground. If they told me that Obi Cubanna will be singing on your mandate, we shall stand one day, I will never believe it. Now, let me now also make this point. Get the point today. Politics is a game of choice. You can decide Obi Cubanna is free to support APC if he wants, PDP if he wants, and all that, right? But my point is this. My work as somebody that criticizes and then open the eyes of the youth is that these people only identify as Igbo men when it benefits them. Let that sink in. When it's time to do advert for their product, boom, let's go to Onitsha market. Let's go to Aba. Yeah, my people will say, oh, now my Igbo brother, oh yeah. That's when they know when it's going to benefit them and when it's going to put money in their pockets. They remember that they are Igbos. When it's going to be for the benefit of everybody, they are no longer Igbos. When Nnamdi Kanu was there, I told you, I said nobody's holding that man. Nobody's holding him, it's his people. You want Nnamdi Kanu to come out with the kind of power he has and the influence he has. Let him come and be telling them who is going to become governor. If Nnamdi Kanu comes out and he says you are not going to become a governor, you are not going to become a governor now. How you want it to happen? How? But it's a shame. It's a pity. 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 I don't even know how to take it. I saw the video. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, your man. I'm not even going to talk about the starting of the video. What is your man dating? Yeah. And mind you, yes, to all those people where we can't talk that nonsense, a very dark man is coming for Igbos. You know, when Sheyilo and Co go join APC and Toye Abraham and Co, when they fly, all of Napara, when they insult them up and down, Obi Cubanna too, when I go put down for that line. Now we have to put down for that line. Also, I don't have a problem if people support APC and all. But I'm just saying, from Obi Cubanna, somebody that have an influence, that would have used his own platform, not have an influence on people, somebody that have an influence to, you know, those kind of their things that they do. There are some things we can't say. That those are things that they do. They know themselves how they do the things. They can easily make a deal with a bargain and say, okay, you know what? Maybe you guys should let Nnamdi Kanu go. We will talk to him, and then this is the deal. This is the deal. You know. You notice that since he went down, since Nnamdi Kanu went down, did you hear anybody talk about him again? They warned all of us. They warned us. I said, they told me. They said, don't ever talk about that man on your page. They warned me. They said, don't ever talk about him again. It's a treasonable offense. But I said, I don't give them fault. That's my business. I'm clean. I have a clean record. I've never done fraud in my life. I've never stolen in my life. Babes are enough. And I never knocked person wife before. So that's the other thing you can say, okay, very dark man did. And I never do minor and I never rape. Oh, your man! Obi Cubanna Soros, okay! Ankutuma Boruba. Sha Banza.
Where is very dark black man calling for me? Where is very dark black man calling for me? He can fool the whole Nigeria. He can deceive Igbo, but they cannot deceive me. A man who said his baller, who destroy his own life with other people. Anyone that is working with darkness, I'm against it. What makes him fame? Is it not because of his baller that he sell? He can never see Yoruba people insult their billionaires. So can't watch you insult our brothers and our people. Who is making you rich? Who do you think is giving very that black man money? Is it not Dibia? Dibia get sense because Ebonyi swepota, Dibia ego. Ebonyi swepota, Dibia ebaro. Yes, Obi may want to support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but you know, it's a choice, personal choice. But he does not have the lights to come and tell us what we are facing in Igbo land. Has he fixed the Edo state? Do you know Edo is one of the worst places? They are kidnapping people every day. Has very dark black man fixed Edo? The people dying in the Edo state is 1/3 of what is dying in Igbo land. So has very dark black man fixed Edo? Is it not because of the kidnapping happening in Edo that make Harrison go in? Has he been able to stop the evil happening in Edo state? No. But everybody want to bring the Igbo out to sound like it's this one, is that. A man who said his baller, you don't have shame. All of you that follow that blade that man, but you're a fool. A man that said he's preach all up and down is your low mother. Till Don Kingdom come, evil is evil. Don Kingdom come. Agege is agege. Don Kingdom come. A thief is a thief. A criminal is a criminal. Just know that. You can never forget your past. Because your past is what God used to destroy the Sodom and Gomorrah. If you don't know it, you know it. I read Bible 7 times from beginning to end. So I know what there is a very bit of offense. For you to, you have hand, you have leg, you have health. All you can do is to go do a rosho by selling your prick, selling your body to men after I call you at advice. Which integrity do you have? God punish you that very that black. Which integrity do you have? So if we that have integrity talk, you talk. Mr. Integrity. So we that have integrity talk, you will talk. Which integrity do you have? If you go on the internet now, you have your bola. I bring my own bola. 100 million. Bring my own bola now. If we say we are the same thing, you are nothing other than a what? A harlot. You are nothing less than them. A harlot is even more better than you. A man like you have your hand, you have your leg, you have your health, and you go and be. So those children you want to hug now, what are you trying to prove to them? So when they grow up, they should do like you. Because what they call inference. Inference means even if you do a gege, even if you say your brother, because who you follow matters. Who is your mentor matters. So if you're a man, Igbo gay, Igbo woman, following this useless, very dark black man, now I'm here to open your eye as a spiritual warlord. Share the telecast. Let him get everywhere. Obi Cubanna is 100% better than what? Very dark black man. Obi Cubanna may not be talking type. If you look at him, he doesn't talk much. He's not a talking type. That he doesn't come out and begin to shout Mazin Anka. It's not, you know, is everybody that in Yoruba land shout about some Igbo? But that does not give you light to come and be letting our brother. Using them to catch crews, using them to get follower and make money on social media. And they're clapping for you. Ibro so this idiot now crack a chuba there. You not see the evil that he do everywhere. Is it not the his nude that Blord brought out used to make money? But when I no go see him, on a chonyo and I say, hey, I'm fake or this. Where you see fake, you will not know. Daily. You know that support. I know here cannot go to Israel, go to Edo State to fix the gangsters that are full in Edo State. You cannot go there to stop the kidnapping. You cannot go there to stop the what do you call it? The court is in that full for Edo. You come and bring man to Obi Cubanna, who is legitimately doing his business. Are you not working with for APC? That got you people are cleaning. Is it your duty? You're doing it to make sure government, if you do something, government will look you and say you're working for Nigeria. We know the strategy. That got you're cleaning. You're also working for APC. So, Mr. Man, stop acting like your other ones are fools. We are not fools. Obi Cubanna also, because the country is not working well. Obi Cubanna is also trying to protect himself. The same way you want to protect yourself, you go and be cleaning drainage, cleaning gutter. Are you not a land boys? The same thing, do all those things. It's just a manipulation. For those who can manipulate. My name is Prophet Dibia, the spiritual warlord, the most powerful prophet in this world. Why I'm talking this, he can't do nothing because even all the prophets in Nigeria are fake. I am the real prophet. You're watching. I challenge you, the very dark black man, with your native doctor. He said, Pastor cannot heal. I will prove it to you. Bring 10 sick people. 20 sick people. HIV, cancer, different spiritual sickness. Bring 20 people. Come with your native doctor. If your native doctor be able to heal them, I know you're a man. 100 million naira challenge house. So come with your native doctor. I'll come with my anointing. I'll prove it to you there's a power in the word of God. Reason why I leave you and they talk all those ones because I know most of the prophets you talk then they are most of them are fake. But this is time to address it because if I allow you, you have influencing many people now to believe that like idol is more important. Going to Shalai, doing agege, doing all those what anybody doesn't happen to. You are not what to be a man. You're not what you're supposed to be in jail for doing that nonsense. If you don't know it. If he's in Ghana, he say your brother, he do agege. He's 10 years imprisonment. Go and ask other countries. But Nigeria, hey, you are for who is the that black man? He's a disgrace to his own family. You know, get shame. That man is a legend. Come on, go make you a legend. If we be legend, they talk, they talk. Forget how you do know what is called legend. How many people did he made? Do you know what they call legend? Do you know what they call integrity? Learn song. We have been into this stream for more than 30 years. We're still here. Do you know what we call integrity? Integrity means go and check from A to Z. David Yahweh, check Zion City. You can't see any nonsense. Accept the blackmail. But to you, have your record. There's a time all the brokers find looking for what they was used to name all those Zion people. They could not find anything. That's what they call integrity. That's why I can challenge anybody. And if I challenge you, go on. Because you will run in a hard way. Very dark black man, you will run in a hard way. Mark my word. I told you, you learn in a hard way. That border way itself, God will punish you for destroying Nigeria more. If Nigeria government cannot ban you, I will ban you myself. Share it. If Nigeria government cannot ban you for selling your border, I have banned you. The Yahweh have banned the very dark black man. He's a useless man. He's an idiot by selling his border and lobbying small children. Share the telecast and tag him. God bless you.